Good morning, YouTube. How you guys doing? Well, I just want to make a short video and share with you guys how my oregano is growing. I'm happy that it's Italian oregano. I'm happy that it's starting to come back and get bigger. I've been giving it some, let me see, what I put on here? Some fish food. The stinkiest stuff I found. And it looks wonderful. I'm very happy that it's taking off and growing again. It's getting pretty big and bushy and healthy looking, and I love it. My oregano, Italian oregano, very tasty. And also I planted some bell pepper seeds, and hopefully these are bell pepper seeds and that they will grow and produce some bell peppers for me. I'm crossing my fingers. Well, anyway, that's all I wanted to share. Hope everybody's having a great day, and keep making your videos. And yes, I'm still following my schedule. Anyone that comes across my channel and sees my schedule, please don't hesitate to join and ask me to come and visit your channel, check you out. I'm sure we can become friends and all. Well, you guys, thanks, and I'll talk to you guys later. Till my next video.